So now, using our handy dandy vacuum chamber, you've seen this before. What is a vacuum, Mr. Clayton?
It's like the thing my parents used to like clean the house.
No.
Oh.
A vacuum is a space where there's no particles, no air, no nothing. So, reminder, under this bell jar, once we turn on the pump, we're going to suck all the air out from under there.
So I'm thinking, like, when we did this, we saw that when we trapped the air in, we still had sound. So maybe the air doesn't matter, right?
All right. So if the air doesn't matter, then when we take all the air out, we should still hear the music.
Right.
All right. So let's check it out. Okay. So can you hear it, Mr. Clayton?
I hear it, yeah.
Didn't take any air out yet. Can you still hear it?
Still hear it.
Okay. Let's see if the lovely people at home can still hear it. Can you turn that a little bit so we know that it's still playing? All right, cool. We can still see it playing. All right, let's take all the air out of that jar. So a reminder, this gauge as that dial goes down, that means there's less and less air inside that jar. So we're going to get it as close to zero as possible. Just about there. Alright, my phone didn't explode. That's a good sign. Alright, let's give it a shot. Let's see if we can still hear it. Move you as close as I can move you.
No, we'll let the air back in. Let's see what happens.
Hear the difference?